नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ JVN Monica Trivedi. Today I am going to teach you about the Clapeyron equation. This topic belongs to thermodynamics, equilibrium and solution of BSc, B.Ed, PCM, ZBC and BSc, PCM, ZBC 4th semester. So this is a useful thermodynamic relationship which gives an important information about the system consisting of two phases of a single substance in a chemical equilibrium. In the Clapeyron equation, it is derived from the Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. If we study the system like liquid and vapor are present in a coexistent in a equilibrium, chemical equilibrium. Okay, if we consider 1 gram mole of liquid in a cylinder by the frictionless piston, let the volume of liquid be V1 and its pressure equals to the P. Now allow the liquid to evaporate reversibly at the constant temperature T, and when the whole of the has vaporized, let the volume of the vapor will be V2. So the work done during the evaporation is W is equals to P volume change V2 minus V1. This is equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to the temperature at constant volume V2 minus V1. What we get, dW by dt is equals to V2 minus V1 dP dP by dt. Okay, this is equation 2. The heat absorbed from the surrounding is the latent heat of the vaporization, which is denoted L, which on the substitution in the first law of the equation gives us del E is equals to W minus L. Okay, on the substitution of the expression equation 2nd and equation 3rd in a Gibbs-Helmholtz equation, what we get, W plus del E is equals to T dW by dt. Or if we simplify this equation, W plus L minus W is equals to T V2 minus V1 dP by dt. Or we can get L is equals to T dP by dt V2 minus V1. Okay, and we get dP by dt is equals to L T V2 minus V1. This equation, Clapeyron equation, which is generally can be written as the dP by dt is equals to del H by T V2 minus V1, where del H is a heat of transition when the volume V1 of a definite weight on one of the change of the volume V2 of same weight of the another form at the temperature T. Okay, so second we have to learn about Cauchy's-Clapeyron equation. The above equation can be simplified by the simple change in volume of the liquid on compression with the volume of a vapor. Equation 1 is in case of this type of equation, we get dP by dt is equals to del H by dt. Okay, supposing the vapor is obey the ideal gas equation, ideal gas law. So what we get, V2 is equals to RT by P. If you put this value of an above equation, what we get, dP by dt is equals to del H P RT square. Or we get 1 by P into dP by dt is equals to del H by RT square. Okay, but 1 by P into dP by dt is equals to d log E P dt. Okay, we change the RT into ln and then we change it log. So what we get, if we simplify this equation, d log E P by dt is equals to del H by RT square. Okay, the equation 2 is known as a Cauchy's-Clapeyron equation, and this equation we can evaluate the change in enthalpy. So what we get, d log E P is equals to del H dt by RT square. Or if we integrate this equation, like if we integrate d log EP is equals to del H by R, and if we integrate dt by t square. So what we get, log EP is equals to minus del H by RT plus constant. C is integration constant. Okay, so log 10p is equals to minus H by 2.303 RT plus C. If P is a pressure, vapor pressure, and the T1 and P2, the vapor pressure at the T2, we have log 10 P1 is equals to minus del H by 2.303 RT1 plus C, and for log 10 P2 pressure P1 and P2, temperature T1 and T2. So generally we have this term for pressure and temperature for P1 and P2. So by subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, what we get, log 10 P2 by P1 is equals to minus we get del H by 2.303 R T1 by T2 minus T by T1 minus T by T2. Okay, so this is Clausius-Clapeyron equation. Log 10 P2 by P1 is equals to del H 2.303 R 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Okay, so thank you very much. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University version 2.0. Thank you very much. I hope you satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please let me know in a comment box. Thank you.